I'm not where at least I used to be. Sorry, I just misplaced it. I don't know why this is happening now.
Do you want to try once more?
Yeah, I wanna go once more. Yeah, I'm not where I want to be.
I used to be.
No, I'm not where I want to be, but at least I'm not where I used to be.
You should be okay. Then you should not use the not in the first sentence. You should say, "I am where." Uh, so, hi, I'm Jani. How are you today?
How are you? I'm fine. What about you?
Good. So, how was your weekend?
My weekend has been fine because I was
Yeah,
we were having dal bati at my field.
you were having a
Dal bati. Have you ever heard of dal bati?
dal bati. Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Nimach, Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
What about you?
I'm from Haryana.
Okay,
So, are you working or are you a student?
I'm a student.
You're a
Can you
student.
please speak a little bit louder?
Yeah, sure. Am I audible now?
Yes, you are.
So, yeah. So, what are you studying?
I'm preparing for competitive examinations.
Okay, well, I wish you all the best.
Yeah,
So,
thank you so much.
what are your views about exercising?
About exercising, I think exercise is the most important part for a body, because if you have a healthy body, then we can be happy. Otherwise, there will be a lot of problems if we are not happy and healthy.
So, do you exercise regularly or
Yeah, earlier I used to go gym when before this second wave, but after that I'm not going. But yeah, I will join soon.
so for now you're not doing any exercise, or are you trying to do some kind of exercise at home?
Yeah, doing some exercise at my home, like push-ups and some dumbbells related exercise and all.
So, health wise, what is your goal? Like, what is your fitness goal?
My fitness goal is to become fit and having a little bit kind of body, because I'm not much, uh, can say I'm a thin guy now, but I want to have a good physique body.
We can say lean
Yeah,
body.
I can.
You have a lean body, you want to build muscles.
Yeah.
Okay. So, is there anyone whom you really follow or who inspires you to be, fit or have a particular fitness goal?
No, I don't follow anyone to become like that. I want to be myself.
So, okay. So, when it comes to exercising, what do you think are the benefits of exercising apart from just, being fit? What do you think are the benefits?
Yeah, if you do exercise on regular basis, like we our food, uh, when you exercise good, we have good hunger, good appetite, and sweat come out, so there is low chances of any ailment and diseases. And apart from that, we if we are fit, then we are healthy also, and if we are healthy, there will be no diseases and all, and immunity will be better.
So, have you felt that people have become more aware about their health since this corona thing has come up?
Obviously, it has happened. Now people are taking care of their health also, and trying to eat more uh, nutrition foods.
So, any examples around you of such kind of people?
Yeah, there are many people in my village who are now going for walk in the evening and having some exercise also, and started drinking milk and all.
when did you become aware about health and importance of exercising in your life?
Yeah, I was aware from the when I got to know about the advantages of a good physical health. So I'm following it, but yeah, still I need to work on it on a lot.
So is there any Bollywood celebrity, whose fitness you admire? Okay, that person is really fit.
Mm, I say it can be. I'm not able to recall the one now.
Is it Hrithik Roshan, Akshay Kumar?
Yeah, I can say Akshay Kumar is the best example for that because he follow very healthy routine. He hit the cycle at 9 or 10 p.m. Don't drink and do proper exercises and eat healthy food.
Yeah, that's true. So do you think you will be able to follow such a strict regime in your life if you ever think of doing that?
Uh, yes, I will be, and I'm still following things. I also sleep on time. I get up a little bit late, but I will be able to get up on time one day.
So
I'm
what is
working on it.
so what is late for you?
For me, it's nine.
Okay, so I would say
Nine.
that that is early for many people.
I can say, obviously.
So it depends. So, and at what time do you sleep usually?
Between 11 to 12.
I think that's a healthy time, though, because according to our lifestyle, we should have our times.
Yeah, because this social media time, so no one is going to sleep without checking their WhatsApp, Instagram, and all.
Yeah, that's true.
Someone's messages are there.
So, okay, did you try any kind of, following online diets or online workout sessions, workout regimes for your health during the pandemic, especially when you were not able to go to gym?
No, I didn't follow, but yeah, I was watching video on YouTube and trying that which exercise should be in which way and proper way of doing the right exercise.
Okay. So, you said you watch with YouTube. So there are so many influencers, fitness influencers. Do
Yeah.
you follow any?
No, not any particular. I don't follow anyone.
Okay, okay. Okay, so there was this video. How much social media do you use?
I no, not much. I don't use much social media as far as I know.
You?
Don't much use social media.
Okay.
But
So
yeah, I run a YouTube channel on which I'm investing my time.
you run a YouTube channel. So what type of videos do you upload on that channel?
Yeah, this English conversation videos.
Okay, well, that's great. So, okay, I was telling you about a video that's got circulated a few months ago. I think it was an Akshay Kumar's video from, I think, 2017 or 18. In it, he was saying that the one who don't exercise at all, who does not exercise, like they're wasting their life, some kind of statement like this. So, how much do you believe in that statement?
Yeah, because exercise is very important role in our life. If we don't do exercise, our body will be going to be weaker and weaker day by day.
Okay.
And
So,
there are less chances, more chances to uh, becoming ill, sick because your body will weak and the and the diseases will take place.
yeah. So, okay, what do you think about, body positive influences, people who are trying to spread body positivity about accepting their body as it is? So, what do you think of that?
So I don't get you.
Body positive influencers,
No, I don't know.
okay, so those are people basically who are, trying to get a message out there on social media that you should accept your body as it is. So, do you think both of these ideas of leading a healthy lifestyle and another one of this body positivity are conflicting with each other?
uh, The both are right at the respective place. I think the reason is the accept as your body as it is. The reason behind it, exercising does not mean always gaining the body. It's all about becoming fit. Don't mean that always gaining muscles and all. So when they are saying that you just accept your body the way it is, that doesn't mean that you don't need to do exercise. I think. But
Yeah.
that doesn't mean that you are not doing any exercise and sleeping throughout the day. So it's not good, not good at all.
Okay. 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 So tell me, you said you do push-ups and a little bit of strength training. Have you tried yoga and other forms of exercises also?
No, I won't try yoga, but I will try soon.
So, but why are you saying that you will try? Just because I'm saying it, or do you want to try it?
No, no, no. I want to try.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
I would say definitely try it. It's really like a good thing. So,
So
okay.
do you do yoga?
Yeah, I recently started a few months ago.
So how is it working for you, or are you finding it fruitful?
Yeah, definitely. I would say it's really good for my mental health. Like during the second wave, everything was so stressful, so it helped me through it. So I would say it was really helpful.
Okay. Nice.
So what about you? I think you have been doing yoga, sorry, exercises during the both the lockdowns and both the way.
Yeah.
So do you think that had any positive effect on your life?
Yeah, obviously it has, because when we are exercising, uh, the energy comes out automatically inside from us, and we feel stronger than the day we don't exercise. And we get some sweat out, we get some hunger, we get some good hunger. So we eat something with
You're on mute. Yeah.
hello.
Yeah. Continue. You just went on mute.
Yeah, so that are the difference I feel. And I'm still continuing it because it gives me another kind of confidence also.
Yeah, that is true. Confidence, I would agree with you
Yeah,
on that confidence point. What
yeah.
about food? Are you not a foodie person? Like, are you not tempted when you see delicious dishes in front of you?
It depends. When I'm hungry, then yes. And if I'm not hungry, then it's not. So we can say I'm not a foodie. Because when you are foodie, it doesn't matter whether you are hungry or not. You will be excited and tempted.
Okay, but I think you're more tempted when you are hungry. When you are full, it's like you are able to control your temptations a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah.
So, do you have any friend, or like, have you ever in your life tried, making your friend do exercise or something like that?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, I am asking, do you have any such friend or known person whom you try to explain why they should start exercising, or importance of a healthy lifestyle or something like that?
Uh, no, I haven't. Because whenever I'm say something, so they will say try yourself first and then tell.
Yeah, that's true. But you said na that you have been doing workouts for quite some time, so
But
that's
they say that people will listen you and understand you and give respect you when you have done something.
that's true.
Uh, so if you haven't done something big, so people won't listen you. It's like just saying rubbish and all.
Okay,
So I need to do something before telling others.
yeah, that's true. So, keeping that in mind, what would you say about your own health, your own stamina? How good is your stamina?
Better than when I was not exercising, but now it's better. And at least I'm not where I wanted to be, but at least I'm where I'm used to be.
Okay, I think you basically misplaced whole sentence. What
Yeah, yeah. I want to recorrect it.
Yeah, sure.
I'm not where I wanted to be, but I'm not where at least I used to be. Sorry, I just misplaced it. I don't know why this is happening now.
Do you want to try once more?
Yeah, I wanna go once more. Yeah, I'm not where I want to be.
I used to be.
No, I'm not where I want to be, but at least I'm not where I used to be.
You should be okay. Then you should not use the not in the first sentence. You should say, "I am where." Oh, like it should. Okay, so I was understanding it this way. I am not where I used to be.
Okay, now you can say it.
Yeah, but at least I am somewhere. Maybe like
Hmm.
this, or at least I'm on my way. Something like that.
Mm, no, this is not. I wanted to say that I'm not where I wanted to be, or I want to be. I'm not where I want to be, but at least I'm not where I used to be.
Okay, okay. Now I got.
Yeah, yeah.
I was
I
thinking it
did.
the other way.
Yeah, but we almost had
Yeah,
the same meaning.
yeah. But I've got what. So,
Yeah,
what do you do to increase your stamina?
yeah.
What are
I
you
do.
planning to? Yeah.
Sorry.
What are you doing, or what are you planning to do? Since you'll
Yeah,
be soon.
I'm planning to join gym once I uh, go to Indore because currently I'm at my home, so there is no gym facilities nearby.
Okay, so you're studying in Indore.
Yes, I'm studying there.
Okay, well that's great. I have heard that Indore is the cleanest city.
Obviously, it is.
So it seems like you like Indore a lot.
Yeah,
Okay. So yeah, our time's up. It was really a nice session.
yeah, cleanest.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I really enjoyed talking to you.
Go ahead.
So yeah, I was just saying bye. Good night. Take care.
Good night.